Chapter 2 The Mouse. Ralph was a mouse. He lived in a mouse hole in the hotel. Ralph liked it when children left food on the carpet. He was hungry. Ralph wanted Keith's apple. He could not get the apple core. It was in the garbage can. Ralph watched Keith play with his toys. He liked the motorcycle. When Keith, Mrs. Gridley, and Mr. Gridley left for dinner, Ralph ran out of his mouse hole. Ralph's mother told him to be careful. Ralph was not scared. Ralph climbed up the table to find the motorcycle. Ralph sat on Keith's motorcycle. It was the right size for a mouse. Ralph forgot to steer. He fell off the table and into the garbage can. Ralph was stuck.